Okay, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll show you guys how the Clear Back S20 became a thing from a few mishaps. So let's see how all this began about 3 months ago. On the 27th of July, I was browsing Carousel looking for a replacement for my already 1-year-old S10 Plus that was starting to act up in terms of freezing and some weird other issues it had. Then I chanced upon a Samsung S20 Plus that had its back housing cracked. Basically, the person dropped it and well, the rear glass of the phone shattered. Lowballing the person, I was able to get the price down from its original $850 to just $710. This is when I decided, oh what, I'm just gonna pick it up. It's fine for just the phone only without any accessories at all. So here it is, the S20 Plus Coral Blue 128GB model, running the Exynos processor, and with an almost spotless frame, in terms of there's no scratches. Having tested everything including the cameras and well the screen and just using it for a while, I proceeded to order a new back housing, and well with the intention of flipping the phone for around $800. Upon receiving the new replacement housing, which took quite a while from China, it was time to remove the rear glass, though it wasn't a very easy process as the entire glass itself is shattered, so it came off in rather small chunks and with a lot of shards all over the table. With the old panel removed, it was time to clean the phone up from its old adhesive and then attach the new replacement glass, though at a lower quality as this is a replacement one and not original. So now it's all left to do is just sell the phone, right? And this will be the end of the video. Well, it didn't turn out the way I intended, and that's why I started to mod the phone. Here's why it didn't turn out well. Okay, so why did no one really want to buy the S20 Plus when I repaired it originally? Well, because with Singaporeans, we're more scared of warranty, so there's this thing called being more kiasu. So when people realize that I've repaired the phone, then immediately they realize, oh yeah, the warranty will not be there anymore. And that's the sort of needle in the coffin, as well, nobody really wants to buy a phone in Singapore without warranty, or if they say they do, they want the price to be really low, like maybe $700 to about $650 there. So there was no way I'm going to sell the phone, so this is why I started to decide that I'm going to make this S20 Plus my own and mod it. So this is where the modding process began. With the Clear Back mod, it was actually a very simple thing to proceed with. All I needed to do is just remove the rear glass again. This time it was really easy as I'm not using the original adhesive or so, and order a replacement gasket as I'm going to be stripping the paint off the replacement glass, so that means removing the old adhesive again. And transfer over the original camera lens housing, that isn't damaged, and well, it has the additional microphone over there, so I won't need to do a lot of fiddling with it. Lastly, now is just to remove the colouring of the replacement glass. This is very simple as it's just a film that is just glued on to the back of the glass, so just pulling it off and pretty much came off quite easily. And now just to put the phone back together, and well, we're pretty much done with the Clear Back mod. In the end, the S20 Plus Clear Back mod honestly looks quite good, I would say. Considering that this is my second Clear Back mod, it looks a lot better compared to my S8 that I've Clear Backed mod a few months back when I water damaged that phone, but this one here definitely looks more intricate, and when I brought it around to my class or something like that, since I'm in poly, well, a lot of people were quite interested to see, well, why my phone doesn't have a back cover, or so they think it doesn't have. So with that, we're gonna end off this video. Yes, there's a few things I learned over here that flipping phones isn't very simple, especially if let's say you don't have warranty anymore. So with that, we've come to the end of the video. Leave a like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and we'll never stop trying new things like I've done here. So with that, peace out.